Hello my dear friends, Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Okay, today we discuss 5 precepts of Buddhism, major Buddhist texts, 3 Pitakas and Buddhist councils. Okay, 5 precepts or pencils of Buddhism. Buddha also established code of conduct both for the monastic order and the layman to follow, which are also known as 5 precepts or pencils, and refrain from them. First one, violence. Second one, stealing. Third one, sexual misconduct. Fourth one, lying or gossip. And last one, taking intoxicating substances like drugs or drink. Okay, now we discuss it in brief. The Buddha proved to be a practical reformer who took note of the relatives of the day. He did not involve himself in the fruitless controversy regarding the soul and the time. He addressed himself to the worldly problem. He said that the world is full of sorrows and the people suffer an account of desires. If desires are conquered, nirvana will be attained, that is, man will be free from the cycle of birth and death. Gautam Buddha recommended an eightfold path called Ashtanga Marg for the elimination of human misery. This path is attributed to him in a text of about the 3rd century BC. It comprised right observation, right determination, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right exercise, right memory, and the right meditation. If a person follow this eightfold path, he would not depend on the machinations of the priest and will be able to reach his destination. Gautam thought that a person should avoid the excess of both luxury and austerity. He prescribed the middle path. The Buddha also laid down a code of misconduct, conduct for his followers on the same lines as was done by the Jaina teachers. The main items in this social conduct are: first one, do not covet the property of others. Second one, do not commit a violence. Third one, do not use intoxicants. Fourth one, do not speak a lie. And fifth one, do not indulge in the corrupt practices. These teachings are common to the social conduct oriented by the almost all religions. Major Buddhist text. The Buddha's teaching was oral. He taught for 45 years, adapting the teaching to suit the group of he was addressing. The Sangha memorized the teaching and there were group recitations at the festival and special occasion. The teaching were rehearsed and authenticated at the first council and were divided into 3 Pitakas in 483 BC. His teachings were written down around 25 BCE in Pali. 3 Pitakas. First one, the Vinaya Pitaka consists of rules of conduct and discipline applicable to the monastic life of the monks and nuns. Okay, second one, the Sutta Pitaka consists of main teaching or Dhamma of Buddha. It is divided into 5 Nikayas or collection. First one, Digha Nikaya, Majjhima Nikaya. Third one, Samayutta Nikaya. Fourth one, Anguttara Nikaya. And last one, Khuddaka Nikaya. Okay. Third one, the Abhidhamma Pitaka is a philosophically analyzed and systematization of the teaching and the scholarly activities of the monks. Other important Buddhist texts include Devavadana, Devavamsa, Mahavamsa, Milind Panaha, etc. Okay, now we discuss Buddhist Council. Buddhist Council marked important turning points in the early Buddhism. This council resulted in sectarian clashes and eventually great schism that resulted in the 2 major schools, Theravada and Mahayana. Okay, in total 4 major Buddhist councils were convened. First council. It was held soon after the Mahaparinirvana of the Buddha around 483 BC under the patronage of King Ajatashatru and was presided by Mahakashyap, a monk. The council was held in the Satapani cave at Rajgira. The council was held with the purpose of preserving Buddha's teaching, sutta, and the rules for disciples. During this council, the teachings of Buddha were divided into 3 Pitakas. Second council, it was held in Vaishali, a village of Bihar, under the patronage of the king Kalosoka. In 383 BC, it was presided by Sabakami. Okay, now third council. It was held in 250 BC in Patliputra under the patronage of Ashoka, the great king of Mauryan, and was presided by Moghali-Putta Tisa. Okay, fourth council. It was held in 720 AD at Khandalwana, Kashmir. It was presided by the Vashumitra, while Asvaghosha, who was his deputy, under the patronage of King Kanishka of Kushan Empire. Okay, Buddhism was divided into 2 sects, namely Mahayana and Hinayana. Okay friends, this we continue in my next video. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, bye bye, see you again in my next video. Okay, bye.